Well, hello again everybody, welcome back, and today we've got another American lock. This one you don't see around too often, a GS Series 50. So first one I've come across, this one was lent to me by Lock Noob. So, bitting on the key, not too bad, and does work nicely. Feels a little bit sort of mushy, stiffish, but should be okay. So let's get that in there. Still all locked up, and we'll give it a try. So, got the Mad Bob's 1.2 tension wrench and brand new pick for today. I'm not sure what number it is or anything, but it's the Southall Max deep hook, which seems quite nice. So let's give this a try. So one, got a little click on one, nothing on two. 3 springy, 4 we got little click on, 5 we got click. I've got a couple of little clicks, not really binding on one. 2 is solid, 3 is springy, 4 we got a click, 5 isn't really playing ball. Right, 1, 2, 3 bouncing around, 4 solid, 5 solid. Right, a little click on 3, 4, 5. Alright, that was just me dropping off 1, 2 solid, 3. Right, we'll click on 4, 5 is solid. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4. Everything's solid apart from 5. Let's see if we can get anything more out of 1. No. 2. No. 3, 4, 5. So let tension off a bit. See if anything's overset. Right, 3, 4, 5. Little touch on 2, and there we go. So I think one of the back ones was probably overset a fraction. So let's get this in, have a look, see what it's got inside. Didn't feel any spools in it, but then more often than not I get those sort of guesses wrong anyway. There we go. Alright, let's get this clip off. Lock it up because I've got the key. I'll need that turned the other way. Get that clip round to there. There we go. Off it comes. Key. Slightly that way. I need a follower. And there we go, so it was definitely 5. And we have a serrated. Oh, excuse me. All a bit greasy in here, which is probably why it was feeling a little bit mushy with the key. And then we've got serrated in 2. And in 3. And in 4. And another one in 5. So looks all standard American. Let's see what we've got up here. Right, we have a serrated. There's that one. 2. Oh, we have a spool in 2. See, I know I'll get it wrong. But there again, 2 was the one that didn't really need picking. Just the slightest of little touches. There's another serrated. That one came out of 5. 4 still in there. There we go, and that's serrated as well. Springs don't want to come out. There's 3 of them. A couple of them look quite compressed as well. There comes another one. Let's see if we can sort out a few new springs in there before I send it back. The other one doesn't want to come out at all. Ah, there it is. It has. So, there we go, fairly standard American. I did have the serrated spool in, but that was the one that only needed the slightest touch because of the bitting. You can see how long the key pin is on there. Anyway, that was the American Series 50. So thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.